Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Chromebook CM30 Detachable. So friend, it will become with a vibrant 10.5-inch touchscreen, a quick release garage stands to quickly capture ideas and notes, both front and world-facing cameras up to 12-hour battery life, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and outstanding military stand durability. And ASUS Chromebook CM30 Detachable is an effective, fun, and free everyday partner for students, households, and frontline staff in retail and beyond. And the included magnetic stand, cover, and optional keyboard allow seamless transition between tablet and laptop mode, making it the ideal partner for distance learning and productivity. And friend, it also features a two-way push-up styles option to quickly and automatically charge when garage and keeping it ready for use and providing a safe place to store it. And the stylus enables quick, precise movements for unleashing creativity and productivity, empowering users to take notes, transcribe orders, scratch down ideas, or capture those moments of inspiration quickly, simply, and friend. It is powered by an MediaTek Companion 520 processor with 8 GB of memory and 128 GB of storage, and it packs with a 5 megapixel front-facing camera that is ideal for engaging in online meetings and classes with super clarity. And it also boasts a 5 megapixel world-facing camera that allow you to capture the world around them through high-quality photos and videos. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.